What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I'm out of breath, I just ran, but we're here on Pewaukee. We finally got set up. It took us a while because we were trying to find a weed line. Literally, we're moving all over the place, sending down the AQUA, sending down the Vex, and we're finally all set up.
We've seen a few gills on the AQUA. We've been marking a few fish. We've been hole hopping for about 10 minutes. Nothing yet though. We're gonna hope that we can hook up to some of these Mondo gills that we're seeing on the AQUA. See what happens. Stay tuned.
As you guys can see, it is snowing.
Oh yeah,
out here.
it's ripping.
Every time we film this year, it snowed and blizzarded.
Blizzarded it?
Blizzard. I drove up to Green Bay in a snowstorm. Now we're out here in a snowstorm. It's like we can't catch a break. So hopefully we can get on some fish here.
Snow might be good luck. Snow might be bad luck. I guess we're gonna find out here soon. Stay tuned. It should be a pretty sick episode. Yep. Oh! Came back and went right into my hand. Oh my gosh, that's bad. Barb and all. Oh.
You recording?
Yeah, I was recording. On the big camera too. That was a good fish. That hurt real bad. Because I lost the fish. And I got a hook in my hand. That's alright, I got another one on me now. Oh, missed him. Come on, buddy. Can you please eat my jig, man? Please? Alright, I'm gonna go set this cam up on the AQUA. I'm gonna leave these fish for a little bit. I'm gonna come back to this hole probably in about 10 minutes or so. Let's go see how Aiden's doing in the shack. How's it going in here, buddy?
It's going pretty good.
Doing well?
I just caught a big pumpkin seed. Here, I'll move this, put this heater right here. And a gill just shied away. Close that door.
I'm working on it.
Gills are here. We're gonna see if we can get one on the AQUA here again. I had a big gill shoot up and then it spooked away.
Yep.
Yep, he's got yours.
No, he doesn't have it.
I think he does.
Yep. Took that one last gulp.
Yeah, that's a good size one.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one. Take a look at that.
Oh. That's a solid maybe 9.
See if we can get double up right here.
Check her out. You're not recording, but
Yeah,
okay.
I am.
No, you're charging. You're not recording. GoPro's not even on.
I would say 8 minutes then.
Now you're recording. Here. Here. It's a solid maybe 8, 9 incher. We're gonna pop the hook out. Got the little snozzberry frostbite. I'm gonna keep this guy, toss him on the ice, get back down there. Got him. Oh, that could have been bad. Got him. Oh my gosh, he inhaled it, dude.
Look at that.
Oh, jeez. They're just murking these frostbite jigs right here. Check that out. Just gone. Absolutely gone. Can I get that toothpick? No, just give me the extension, yeah. Jeez, dude.
Glad I got the extension on that thing.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this thing is amazing.
You gonna throw that guy back? Oh, I got one coming. Good one, good one.
Oh, he's got my hand. Ooh, that's a nice one.
Got him. Let's go. Back to back, baby. What was he caught in the camera?
Oh, I wasn't rolling for those.
Back to back, back to back. Put this on your GoPro. Look at that. Right in the upper lip. Back to back.
Doubled up, baby.
Doubled up.
Should we keep both of these?
Yeah, those are keepers.
Alright. We're gonna keep these guys.
These These are good eaters.
Got one. That's good. That's big. That's big. That hit it like a freaking bass. Jeez. That is a freaking mondo, dude. There's like 4 more down here. Jeez, look at that. Absolute tank. We got 5 paper plates so far, buddy. Look at that. Thing's huge. Just got a bite. Got him. Dude, what the? These things are huge. These things are absolutely huge, man. I still got 3 on the screen. Got him. Another slab, baby. Got another slab. Not too big, but it's an actual bluegill this time. Oh, chill, 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 chill. Telling you, man, all you gotta do is leave for 5 minutes and come right back. This is the hole I couldn't get any of them to bite. Dropped down in 2 seconds and got one. Got another one out of this hole. Another good one. Oh my god, that's huge. Look at this.
Look at this. We're gonna have a lemon here in a second.
Dude, this thing's huge. Look at the belly on this thing. It looks like it's pregnant. Pregnant in winter, dude. Look at this. Yo.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Immediately too. Drop down, boom. Watch this. I'm gonna do it again. Yep. Dude, you gotta be kidding me, man. That guy might be a little too small, eh? Yeah, this guy's too small. Where'd you just come from? Over here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put him back.
This is too small, I think.
Yeah, that's too small. That's the same size as the one I just put back. At least we're getting some good luck.
See him?
Yeah.
He's coming to yours. That might be a good size kill right there. Let's go.
That was cool.
There's 2 of them down there. Keep it. Oh, that's a decent fish. Let's go. Another nice size gill here. On the hammer chunks, dude. None of these fish are small, really. I lost my waxies on that one, but. Nice looking gill. There's another one down there. I'm gonna get back down there.
What a freaking day, dude.
What a day. We turned a crap day into an epic day. Look at down here.
2-man limit in about 2 hours. 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours, not even.
Yeah, dude. We got here. Aiden was an hour late today, again. His alarm didn't go off.
Yes, it did.
I'm about used to it though. So we got here at what, 11-ish?
Yeah, we got here at about 11. We tried a spot farther down the lake. It was like 2 feet deep the whole way. We kind of plunged holes.
Yeah.
Just took the Vex out, and
it was pretty trash.
it turned into a blizzard out here. It's still snowing.
Oh, it's so bad. I don't know if it looks like it on the camera, but like, dude, there was no snow and it's just been coming down.
Moral of the story, we freaking found the weed line. We found the gills. We're out here on Pewaukee Lake.
Okay.
Tony's GoPro just died. Our GoPros are...
Why do they always die while we film an outro? Every single time one of our GoPros goes off.
I don't know, but we hammered them, guys. We got, I mean, these aren't small gills. These are slabs.
Oh yeah, I mean check these out. Check these out. I'm just gonna pick up a random one here.
Mixed bag of pumpkin seeds and gills.
All about 9.
Look at that. I mean, those
absolute slabs.
Those are good size. Show the camera here. Look at that. Just beauties.
Huge. Absolutely huge.
All right, well.
But anyways, so that was about 3 hours of absolutely nothing, just trying to find a spot, and eventually we sat down on a weed line and just absolutely cranked them in about 2.5 hours.
Don't give up, guys.
Yeah,
Never
don't give up.
It pays. You gotta stay. You gotta grind.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys go leave a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that gray bell next to it that lets you know when we drop more videos. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.